I'm Brennan here. I'm farming here in Borrisokane in Co.Tipperary. I'm here with my nephew Eoin. He likes helping out on the farm as well. We're milking just under 100 cows at the moment. Built a new parlour this year. We have a Pearsons parlour in the old system. It was working for the last 30 years and we were happy with the system, but it just got outdated. We've now put in a 20-unit Pearson parlour. We have automatic wash, we have a dump line, and we have electric feeders, and we can individually feed and batch feed. So it suits my system for the herd of cows I have. Over to my right there's a drafting system. It's all supplied by Pearsons. It was all installed by Hackett Enterprises. Hackett's are over in Thurles. They're quite close, very good backup service. Just a phone call, they'll run you through it if you can fix it. Now I've been with Pearsons for 30 years, I'd say, within the old milking parlour. And to step up to this parlour meant I really knew what I was dealing with. When I was looking around at other parlours, they showed me Pearson parlours, new builds, new functioning parlours. So I had a good handle on what I was looking at and looking for. There's quite a number of Pearson parlours in the area and more as time goes on. So I'm very happy with their milking parlour. Their equipment runs smoothly, they're straightforward. So I have no problem, like with, as I said, Hackett's will be on call, so there's no problem with getting anything when I need it within a very short period of time.
Hi, I'm Eoin. I'm Brendan's nephew. I suppose I'm working here kind of part-time, sort of on the weekends and holidays and that sort of thing. Well, since moving to the new parlour, we've seen a lot of improvements, mainly in our TVCs and our thermodurics. We've seen a lot of kind of change and reduction in those since we've started using the auto wash, and the new wash system has really helped in that side of things. And then as well, our SCC has dropped as well. I suppose the dump line has helped there. We've been able to kind of take cows out that we might be a bit unsure about. They can be removed from the bulk tank then, and that milk can be used for calves. I suppose from an operator's point of view, it takes a lot of pressure off you as well. You're not lugging buckets up and down a ladder, up and down steps. It's handy to do, and especially if you have cow maybe might be treated with antibiotics, and you're unsure, or you can dump her straight away, and there's no kind of worrying about risking contaminating the bulk tank either. One of the benefits of the new parlour is the mangers and the staggered rump rail. In the old parlour we're working with a straight trough, which we found cows are a little bit looser in it, and especially in the springtime of the year where you have heifers coming into the parlour, it was hard to kind of keep them tight and keep them under control. So when we moved to the new parlour, the later calvers kind of came into the parlour, it was a lot easier to manage them. As well, we also went for the automatic cluster removers, which is supposed to be a big help. You're opening your clusters in the parlour. Having those cluster removers allows you to maybe look after a heifer that you might be a bit unsure about, or she might kick off the clusters.
I was able to milk the cows in my old parlour, then run them through the new parlour before it was operational. Basically trained them to the parlour. I fed them in the parlour, gave them a drop of feed. So once it came to Pearsons coming to me to get up and running in the parlour, they organised an evening. Pearsons men came. Our cows had been going through the parlour for about a week or so previous to that. The cows flowed through the parlour. We milked almost as quick as we were milking now, and I found the process very easy.